Welcome everyone and thank you for watching. Today I'm sharing with you my dad's Chinese shrimp paste Ong Choy water spinach recipe. Water spinach is relatively long, so you will need to separate it into smaller sections. This is one of my favorite vegetables to eat because it's so crispy and crunchy and tender. There are two different types of water spinach in Chinese. We have the white water spinach and the green water spinach, and you can tell the difference with the stem. Notice that I'm using the white water spinach today and the stem is white. The green water spinach is a little bit more tough. I find that the white water spinach is really crispy and crunchy and very tender. With many years of experience, my mother is super quick at preparing vegetables, and the thing is, she loves eating vegetables. Ong Choy has many health benefits. On top of the great taste, it's also good for you. Personally, I like to wash and drain this vegetable at least twice. It really depends on how much debris is actually on the vegetables. For today's recipe, we're using 2 pounds of the white water spinach. Dice 5 cloves of garlic, which is about 1.5 tablespoons of garlic. Then julienne 5 slices of ginger. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to the wok on high heat, then add your garlic and ginger. This will help release the flavor from the garlic and ginger into the oil. Add 1.5 teaspoons of shrimp paste. Now you can adjust this according to personal preference. Some people like it a little bit more salty, some less, so make sure you adjust this according to your own preferences. For a vegetarian version of this dish, replace the shrimp paste with fermented bean curd cubes. Add the vegetables and smother it in that beautiful shrimp paste, garlic, and ginger mixture. Then mix everything together well. Honestly, I'm super lucky that Dad loves to cook and share traditional Chinese recipes with us. Cover and cook the vegetable for 30 seconds. Then add 1 teaspoon of Chinese rice cooking wine and 1 teaspoon of either brown sugar or cane sugar. Mix everything together well, then cover and cook for 30 seconds. I admit, shrimp paste has a really strong smell to it, but honestly, this tastes so good and it smells so yummy. Here's a small tip. Do not overcook the vegetable. The stem should still have a little bit of crisp to it. Dad is super happy and proud to share this recipe with everyone, and I can't wait to taste it. For tonight's dinner, Dad prepared shrimp paste water spinach, steamed soy sauce chicken, and ginger scallion lobster.